Well, hi guys and girls, and welcome back to another screencast of Total OS Today, and welcome to my favorite planet besides Earth. This is a picture of the planet Mars taken from one of the robots called the Spirit and Opportunity. This is obviously an off-topic video. Thought I would take a break from the usual stuff and talk a little bit about the technology to travel to Mars, or the technology to send human beings to the planet Mars. And who knows, maybe when we do land people on Mars, maybe we'll be using Linux software or Linux type computers to run the spaceships that will take us to the planet Mars. But let's talk a little bit about the technology and the hazards and the feasibility of sending human beings to the planet Mars. Let's talk a little bit about meteoroids, or space rocks. Now these rocks are in space, small rocks, and it can be either rocks or remnants of asteroids or even space debris or space junk traveling at tens of thousands of miles per hour. Now these little objects by themselves on Earth cannot hurt you, but in the vacuum of space, where there's nothing to stop them as they travel through space, they can penetrate the shielding of a spaceship traveling to the planet Mars. And I believe NASA today is working on some kind of lightweight shielding that can help protect astronauts inside their space module. Another problem to look at when traveling in space is the effect of zero gravity on the human body, and specifically zero gravity on the effect of human bone, and loss of bone or bone density. From what I understand, even exercising in space does not help stop this. However, a form of artificial gravity can help the astronauts prevent bone loss, and I believe the technology exists today to create a form of artificial gravity for all the astronauts involved. Another problem would be that of cosmic rays. Now, from what I understand, cosmic rays are high-energy subatomic particles from long exploding stars traveling through space at light speed. And if I got the information correctly, we don't currently have a sufficient defense against cosmic rays, which can break down human cells and basically cause cancer. And of course, another problem would be the time and the distance it would take to travel to Mars. It can take either tens of millions of miles or hundreds of millions of miles to travel to the planet Mars and back on a round trip. Now, of course, this would depend on the rotation of the planets and how close they are in relation to the rotation of the planets and the time of the year. Common engines today, or standard engines today, for example, that are used on the space shuttle, really wouldn't cut it. I think it takes over 1 million pounds of rocket fuel just to send a small spacecraft like the shuttle just in Earth's orbit. So rocket fuel is not going to cut it. And I believe NASA is working on some kind of new engine, really out of science fiction, an engine which combines plasma, argon gas, and super magnets, some kind of lightweight engine that can make the spacecraft travel much faster. And instead of a trip taking years, it would only take several months. So, and I think NASA is planning on testing this new kind of engine here in the next few years, and if it is successful, who knows, this may revolutionize how spaceships, or how astronauts will travel in their spaceships to the other planets. And I'm kind of looking forward to it, just to see how far our current technology can take us. Well, that's it. That's all I have to say for this off-topic screencast of Total OS Today. And as always, guys and girls, I'll catch you sometime in the future. And who knows, maybe in the future I may catch you on the planet Mars. Bye-bye.